Hello everyone, Bethany here. I have my daughter Lavender with me today helping me with this unboxing. It is my July subscription box from Easywhim. Now the packaging arrived pretty beat up, so when I opened the outside, the bubble wrap came right with it. So I haven't looked at this yet, but I don't have the bubble wrapping on the outside, and that is why. So one of the things about the July boxes from Easywhim is they are doing a speed challenge, and that is for the first member of each type of box to finish all of the items inside of their box. They'll get a free box. So the submissions end on the 20th of August, but as you can tell, it is the 20th of July, so I still have a month to do this, but I'm behind everybody else who's already gotten their boxes, so I may not have a chance, but I don't think anybody's completed them yet, so maybe, you never know, maybe I'll do a full-on straight diamond painting until I finish it. Maybe not. Anyways, so I wanted to tell you guys about the July Speed Challenge, just in case any of you out there have a subscription box from Easywhim. They are doing the giveaway for a chance to win a free box if you complete if you're the first person to complete all of the items inside of your box from, I think it's three of their boxes: their member box, their artist box, and their master box. So this is the member box. Let's go ahead and get into it and see what's inside. Dear Bethany, we're pleased to present your July box of diamond painting goodness. What's in your member box? Lots of you have been asking for a comeback of our diamond painting shopping bags from March. And here is the deal: 2 beautiful matching bags for your shopping with the extra dazzling effect on top. Enjoy doing them and take them everywhere. If you're tired of bulky phone holders covering half the windscreen, then look no further than the DP Sticky Pad. Place it on your car dash as a phone mount for your navigation, or place calls on the go with your usual dose of DP bling. Feeling like a sea change? Has the weather got you down? If you're dreaming of the ocean, scratch that itch with this sea-themed sticker set full of adorable sea creatures. Personalize your diary, your phone cover, anything. Bethany, please look forward to your August club box full of new and exciting designs. This sounds like an awesome box. All right, so the first thing that we have in here is some diamonds, some square diamonds. The other thing we have is some round diamonds. I get 2 mystery 30 by 40 diamond paintings in each of my boxes. The first one, ooh, that's pretty, is a picture of a beach with some palm trees and a sunset. And the other one is a panther with some red roses. Did you see these, Lavender? These are the diamond paintings. One is square and one is round. Those are pretty. Those will be fun to do. What do we got next? You want to pull out what's next? All right, these are the shopping bags. I wonder which ones we got. It looks like one of them's a flamingo.
Yeah.
Now, I will tell you, I definitely know that we're going to be using these probably right away. Maybe we'll use one today if we can get them done. Oh, they're both flamingos. How cute. Okay, this one is a pair of flamingos. And the background here also has flamingos on it. The other side says 2021. Has some fruits on it and some vegetables. That's pretty cute, actually. It's not very big, but it is enough for carrying some things. And of course, it has the diamond painting on outside, which makes it extra cute.
Can I do a thumbs up so that they will also...
Yeah, you can give a thumbs up, sure. Lavender says thumbs up. We have a basic toolkit for those, and we have the drills. The other one is also a flamingo. Yeah.
Oh, right.
So this one also has the flamingos in the background, a flamingo on the front, and the same thing on the back. Those are really cute. I like those a lot. Let's look at the diamonds for those, see what those are like. Oh yeah, we're gonna do some diamond painting today for sure. All right, so for these we have a pretty red, a dark pink, a bright red, a light pink, dark orange, medium orange, light orange, a greenish dark turquoise, a medium one. Here we have a lot of hitchhikers. I can't tell if that's dark brown or black. Probably black. And we have some white. We have some red specialty drills and some green specialty drills. Very, very cool. Next we have, what do you want to do next, love? There's 2 things left in there.
Ooh, these look cool.
These do look cool. These are are ocean stickers.
You can paint them.
Yeah.
Paint them.
Yeah, you can diamond paint them.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna diamond paint the fish.
So we got a shark sticker, a manta ray, a seahorse, an octopus, a fish, but that's not all. Oh my gosh, that's cute. A hermit crab, another fish, a crab, and a lobster. Kit. The drills look like they're just regular colored drills for this, but let's go ahead and take a look at them. If I can figure out and how to open this package. It's a tricky one. I don't know why, but I can't. There we go. Okay, I got it.
Who knows what? Just the cat in the hat.
All right. We have an orange, a dark red. It's kind of like a burgundy red. Purple, orange, black, white, yellow, sage green, cornflower blue, and very pretty dark mint green.
That crab is cute.
I know, I think that's my favorite one. All right, we have one more thing. Oh, here's a toolkit for the diamond paintings. It's pink with the pink squishy, some wax, tweezers, and a Mosfa boat. Very nice.
We have this.
Last thing is the pad. That is cute. It has a butterfly on it. And looks like it has some really special drills that go with that as well. So, toolkit.
Of course, so much toolkits.
So many toolkits, we don't know what we're going to do with all those.
Yeah.
Okay, here is the pad. It's sticky on the front for the diamond painting, but it's kind of like a flexible rubbery type of material. This part is not sticky. The back has a thing on it, a protective thing, and it's sticky. It's not sticky, it's just jelly, so like it'll grip to things without sliding. Like I could set it on there and it's not sticky on there, but if I try to pull it, it's kind of grippy, if you know what I mean. So there's that. That's pretty cool. And let's look at the drills for that. The drills for that, oh, so pretty. Here's some specialty ones. I think that goes on the butterfly, like right there. Yeah, that's beautiful. We have some pearls. some really fancy yellow, some faceted clear shimmery rounds. My camera doesn't, there we go, okay. Some, ooh man, those are pretty. Orange, red, variegated marquise. Some pink crystals, some bigger pink crystals, some really shiny clear ones, and some shiny clear marquise. How pretty. All right, guys, you know what, let's go ahead and look at the diamond paintings. Since I'm going to be working on those right away, might as well open those up. There's a lot of fun stuff here. But right now I need some space for these. Which one do we want to look at first? The ocean scene. Okay. Garbage. Thanks, ma'am. Oh, guys, I'm so excited about these. I've been waiting and waiting. Once I heard about that July speed challenge, I was like, oh, I want to do it. I want to do it. And then I was just waiting and waiting and waiting. And today everything came. I'm so happy. Okay, so it looks like this one is going to go this direction. These are double-sided adhesives, so you don't want to mess with them too much. Just try to get it to be flattened out. There is a foam core inside and instructions.
And I just take that right away.
Yeah, you like those.
You know.
So the instructions are wanting to roll up. Did you know you can hang your diamond painting with ease? So Easywhim does sell these stretcher bars. I've never used one of those. Has anybody out there used one of them? If you have, let me know what you thought of them. Not necessarily from Easywhim, but from anywhere. I'd like to know more about them. I might try those out one of those days. Oh, look at that one. It has a music note. So this is the legend. It has the symbols, the number order, the DMC, and how many, the quantity. So that's kind of cool. I'm not sure if this is the round or the square. We might be able to tell once we open it up and look at it. I think this one is the rounds.
It's like a guessing game too.
It kind of is. The number on this package might tell me. Yep, it is. This is the round one. So the drills are really nice. They come packaged in baggies, so you don't have to kit up unless you want to use something besides the baggies.
Last night we got so much sugar.
So very, very cool. I like doing round and square drills. So I just ordered that I like to do both on my subscription box. And so far they've sent me one of each, which is really cool. Their drills are nice. I've never actually finished one of the Easywhim paintings yet. So this time will be my first time. This one has a lot of colors. It has 35 colors in it. For a 30 by 40, that's pretty good. Yeah, look at all those pretty colors. Very nice. Okay, I want to peel back this a little bit. Oh, There's a lone drill. I don't know where that came from. It's around.
Can I have it?
Well, let's go ahead and put it. I will let you have it, but let's put it back in this bag for now. And then if it's extra at the end, you can have it. And if we need it for our project, then we have it saved in the project. I can't imagine one drill would make much of a difference, but you never know.
I'm starting a little collection, that's why.
Oh yeah, that's pretty. All right. So, I guess it wasn't horizontal. It's just that the picture on the thumbnail was. Okay. I don't want to peel this back all the way, but I do want you guys to see. Pretty cool. And I will show you what that looks like when it's done. So that is one of my paintings that I got. It has the legend here on the side and a thumbnail of the picture. Let's take a look at the other one. This is going to be the square. I will give you the foam, yes. This is going to be the square. Do you guys out there prefer doing squares or rounds? Oh, look at the colors on this. These are my favorite colors. Grays and reds and blacks and whites. I'm gonna enjoy doing the colors on this one. I know that for sure. For sure. What? You want this?
Yes.
So you have a foam roller inside to protect the double-sided adhesive from getting bumps and grooves. It has another instruction sheet, which also has a thumbnail of the picture, as well as the number code, DMC, and quantity of the drills. These are the drills. I'm not going to open these ones up this time, but look at all of those. Lots of those pretty colors that I like. And once again, those are all in baggies, so it makes for easy work on getting ready for the canvas. All right, looks like the picture is going this way. So it's a 30 by 40. I'm hoping that it turns out okay, because that is pretty small. But you know, there's 35 colors in this one too, and so there's an opportunity for some nice blending and stuff to happen. So there is that diamond painting. All right, guys, that's it for the unboxing. I'm gonna go do some more diamond painting. I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.